Hello everyone, we are from Government Degree College Sadashipet. Now we are going to give a presentation of Jigyasa student study project on organic farming, a boon to mankind. Myself, I was studying in BSc BHC final year of Government Degree College. Now I am going to introduce my friends. I am Sunil from BHC final year, Indu from BHC first year, Rakesh from BHC first year, and Yasmin from BHC second year. Now I am going to discuss about the project. Agriculture is the main occupation in India. It provides employment to approximately 52% of people in India. As per the records, its contribution for gross domestic product is nearly 15%. Hence, it is considered as backbone of Indian economy. Fertilizers and pesticides, high-yielding hybrid varieties, agricultural mechanization, and improved irrigation facilities. These are the changes brought by Green Revolution of India in agriculture. Organic farming is better option when compared with chemical farming. Chemicals like fertilizers, pesticides, etc. are more expensive and causes human health disorders and pollution. Natural fertilizers are less expensive and they are proven that they are good for human health. Cow dung and goat poop fertilizers are highly rich in organic matter, which helps to improve the aeration and break up compacted soil. Chicken man rats organic matter, which increase the water holding capacity and beneficial biota in soil. Now my friend Sunil will continue this presentation.
Thank you, Moses. Now I am going to explain about the objectives. To analyze the plant growth rate in presence of organic and chemical fertilizers. To compare the chemical fertilizers with organic fertilizers. To prove the value of organic fertilizers. To reduce all forms of pollution resulting from agricultural techniques. To cultivate the nature and health plants. Now my friend Indi will continue this presentation.
Thank you, Sunil. Now I am going to discuss about research methodology. A survey has done in the nearby villages. A questionnaire was given to the farmers. Farmer filled the questionnaire. Farming with organic manure and chemical fertilizers have done practically in selected sites. These 4 sites were identified with letters A, B, C, D. In site A and B parts, fenugreek seeds were planted, and in site C and D, coriander seeds were planted. Fenugreek and coriander are edible plants having nutritious values. Fenugreek plants. Common name Menthulu, scientific name Trigonella phenum graecum, family Fabaceae. Coriander plant. Common name Dhania, scientific name Coriandrum sativum, family Apiaceae. We applied organic manure to site A and C. We applied chemical manure to site B and D. Growth condition of plants were recorded. Now my friend Rakesh will continue the presentation.
Thank you, Indu. Now we are going to be discussing about results and discussion. This graph shows the farmer survey report. As per farmer survey report, 76% of the farmers felt organic farming yields more than the chemical farming. 65% of the farmers felt organic farming yields it is cheaper than the chemical farming. 54% of the farmers felt organic farming, they choose the best option. This graph shows the fenugreek plants day-wise height. This graph shows the coriander plants day-wise height. As per day 1 and 2, seeds are not germinated and no plants are take place. On 3rd day, small fenugreek plants are appeared in site A and B. On 4th day, small coriander plants are appeared in site C and D. On 5 to 10 days, fenugreek plants and coriander plants height was increased. Now my friend Ashan will continue this presentation.
Thank you, Rajesh. This is the conclusion of our project. According to survey reports, majority of the farmers had awareness of the benefits by using biofertilizers. But still there is need to support and guide the farmers to turn towards friendly nature organic farming. The field trials results also supported organic farming. This picture shows our project related. We express our thanks to CCE for encouraging to take up student study project. We express our thanks to farmers who participate in this survey. Thank you one and all.